The following is a short video on the 2 COVID-19 vaccinations that are currently available. 99% survival rate. A commonly asked question is, why should I get vaccinated if the COVID-19 infection has a 99% survival rate? Surviving and thriving are incredibly different. COVID-19 symptoms can persist for months. The virus can cause damage to lungs, heart, and brain, which increases the risk of long-term health problems. Even young, otherwise healthy people can feel unwell for weeks to months after infection. How organs may be affected by COVID-19. Heart. Imaging tests taken months after recovery from COVID-19 have shown lasting damage to the heart muscle, even in people who experienced only mild COVID-19 symptoms. This may increase the risk of heart failure or other heart complications in the future. Lungs. The type of pneumonia associated with COVID-19 can cause long-standing damage to the tiny air sacs, alveoli, in the lungs. The resulting scar tissue can lead to long-term breathing problems. Brain. Even in young people, COVID-19 can cause strokes, seizures, and Guillain-Barré syndrome, a condition that causes temporary paralysis. COVID-19 may also increase the risk of developing Parkinson's disease and Alzheimer's disease. Short-term side effects and 95% vaccine efficacy is greater than long-term health damages from COVID-19 infection. Please take a moment to review the Pfizer versus the Moderna vaccines. Both vaccines available are mRNA vaccines. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines provide instructions for our cells to make a harmless piece of what is called the protein spike. The spike protein is found on the surface of the virus that causes COVID-19. COVID-19 mRNA vaccines are given in the upper arm muscle. Once the instructions are inside the muscle cells, the cells follow the instructions and make the protein piece. After the protein piece is made, the cell breaks down the instructions and gets rid of them. Next, the cell displays the protein piece on its surface. Our immune system recognizes that the protein doesn't belong there and begins making antibodies. After developing antibodies, our immune system has learned how to protect against future infection. The benefit of mRNA vaccines, like all vaccines, is those vaccines gained this protection without ever having to risk serious consequences of getting sick with COVID-19. Facts about COVID-19 mRNA vaccines. They cannot give someone COVID-19. These vaccines do not use the live virus. They do not affect or interact with our DNA in any way. mRNA never enters the nucleus of the cell, which is where our DNA is kept. The cell breaks down and gets rid of the mRNA soon after it is finished using its instructions. Side effects and immune response. Most commonly reported side effects for the vaccines are injection site reaction, fatigue, headache, muscle pain, chills, joint pain, and fever. This is called an immune response. This is a response without infection, and it's a good thing. These short-term, easily managed side effects are significantly less risky than taking your chances with COVID-19 infection. Ingredients in the vaccines. There has been complete transparency around ingredients. You can find the fact sheets posted online for both of the current COVID-19 vaccinations. If you would like more information on either of the COVID-19 vaccines, please discuss with your physician or local health department.